I know, say I am beautiful. And I know, say I am beautiful. No be what you think, no be what you talk. I'm a shining star. No be what you talk, no be what you say. I'm a shining star. Shining star.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new to my channel, I go by the name of Unatidugya. Bay, and if this is your first time seeing this girl, hi. Hope you stay, hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like. If you've been here, hello sweetie. It's the start of a new vlog. It is a Thursday today. I'm at work, so I just thought let me open this vlog and continue with it, because I don't know when I'll, like, I have this thing of not opening the vlog on time. So yeah guys, we'll see how the day goes, and I'll see you guys after work.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave. Tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead. We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
Sugar, how many party? 5 or 2?
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all that I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's your location. Used to talk 24/7, every other second, just to make sure we were up to date. Now it's closer to 11, and I ain't hearing nothing. I just need to know that you're okay. Where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Hey, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know. Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is you saying yeah, yeah, yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe. Cause you're all I crave, so I wonder, where are you? Baby, don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, cause I gotta know.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. Baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. Whatever, and I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. If I control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't chase, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day. So I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do to make you go? Oh, baby, it's you. It's you. It's you. It's you. Walk out that door, no, yeah.
Hey guys, morning guys. It is a Friday morning. Please do excuse the noise. If you guys hear any noise from this video, voices, it is my neighbors that are having a blast Sana in the morning. This is the only room in this house that I can make a video. I can talk to you guys because the lighting is better than other rooms and I can't go outside because the noise is gonna be more. Doing the laundry. I don't want to do it tomorrow. And I'm just here to close up the vlog. I'm just having a lazy morning. Like lazy morning. Just be watching TV, catching up on my fave shows. I'm just watching Big Brother now. Yeah, early in the morning. That's me. Yes, I'm the girl who wakes up early in the morning. I put the show Big Brother and I catch up because wow, if you miss I'm talking to the girlies, to the guys, to the gents who watch the show, for those who hate the show, because I know there are some people that's gonna say, there has been comments on social media, especially the guys be saying, I don't understand this show, why do you guys watch this show? Leave us alone, leave us in peace, please. Like if that's correct, for us to watch Big Brother, like leave us alone, leave us in peace. If you guys won't understand the love that I have for this show, if you know the show, I've watched Big Brother since it was Big Brother Africa. If you guys follow it, for those who follow, since it was Big Brother Africa, when this whole Big Brother Nigeria, Big Brother Mzansi didn't exist. The first show where there was no rules, that's me. And till today, I'm a big fan. But anyway, guys, I'm just here to close off the vlog. I hope you guys do enjoy. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Bye.